Welcome to Savita Dental College Lecture Series in General Pathology. The topic of discussion is mechanisms and requisites of scar formation. The first requisite is growth factors. The growth factors are the proteins which stimulate the cell survival and proliferation, which can also promote the migration and differentiation of the cells. The list of growth factors are shown here. The first and foremost is the epidermal growth factor, which act on epithelial tissues and fibroblast endothelial cells. Fibroblast growth factor FGF, which acts on endothelial cells and fibroblast. Transforming growth factor is of two types, alpha and beta. Alpha transforming growth factor will act on the angiogenic factors, and the beta transforming growth factor will be acting on fibroblasts, platelets and macrophages. And the platelet derived growth factor PDGF, which act on vascular smooth muscles, fibroblasts and macrophages. Insulin like growth factor IGF, that is having the activity towards fibroblast endothelial cells and fetal tissues. The second requisite is the receptors of growth factor, which recognize the growth factor and resulting in signaling pathways, which results in transcription factor activation and leads to proliferation, differentiation and apoptosis of the cells. Coming to extracellular matrix is a third requisite, which is of two types, interstitial matrix and basement membrane. The interstitial matrix composed of fibrillar collagen, elastin, proteoglycan and hyaluronic acid, and basement membrane composed of type 4 collagen, laminin and proteoglycan. These extracellular matrix protein are the first and foremost proteins which cause scar formation. Coming to the steps in scar formation, they are angiogenesis, fibrogenesis, granulation tissue formation, maturation of the fibrous tissue to form stable scar. Coming to angiogenesis, otherwise known as neovascularization. It can be from a normal vessel due to vascular endothelial growth factor and other angiopoietic growth factors, or from a hematopoietic stem cell. From a normal vessel, a vascular vessel sprout will form because of this growth factor, and there will be recruitment of the pericytes towards the endothelial cells, and finally it will form mature new blood vessel. The angiogenic growth factors are vascular endothelial growth factor, fibroblast growth factor, platelet derived growth factors, angiopoietin and transforming growth factors. Coming to fibrogenesis is of two steps, migration and proliferation of the fibroblast growth factor and fibrogenic growth factors, and deposition of the extracellular matrix protein. The fibrogenic growth factors are TGF-beta, platelet derived growth factors, and the cytokines involved in fibrogenesis are interleukin 1 and interleukin 13. That's all about the mechanism and requisites of scar formation. Thank you.